Ah, the weather's getting hot, and that means it's time for some burgers on the Blackstone. Now, you know, if you've been following me any kind of time, we do burgers on the food trailer. Well, we did an event just the other week, and a place called Old South Trailers here in South Carolina. They requested a specialty burger, like just for that event. So we kind of bounced ideas off each other, and we came up with what we call the Old South Burger. And this is an amazing, tasty, flavorful burger that just everybody who ordered one enjoyed. And I'm like, I need to make a video of this, and that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to recreate the burger that we made there for their event called the Old South Burger. As you see, not a whole lot of ingredients it takes to put some of these burgers together. As far as prep goes, normally I prep stuff and kind of show you how to prep. On the food trailer, we already have stuff prepped. So we got some sliced onions, some pickles, some tomatoes, some cheese, and some lettuce. And the thing about it is also when they ordered, they could make it, however they want it, customize it, take this off, add this, whatever. But I'm going to show you how we decided to make the burger and then let people decide from there. So at the end of this video, let me know how you would change this burger up. But right now we got to get to cooking because I'm getting hungry. So let's go on and fire up that Blackstone and get that thing heating up. All the prep is done. Once that heats up, we get to cooking. But let's go check on it, see if it's ready. Come on. Well, I'm seeing that white smoking. You know what that means. This means it's time to put some groceries down on this griddle. Now, smash burgers go really, really, really fast. So if you're going to toast your buns, I highly recommend doing so. Do that first. I'm going to go ahead and get them right here. As you see, a lot of smoke right here. Just so you know, the way I have this griddle set up, I have this side on low, this side on about a medium high. As you see, it's really, really hot. Kind of move your buns around. Let them toast up. While those are toasting up, let's get our bacon going. Bacon. That's right. Bacon. I'm going to put it over here to the cool side. I want it to cook a little bit slower because if you cook bacon too quickly, it will shrivel up and, well, you won't have a very big piece of bacon. Bacon's bacon, I get it, but you want your bacon to be as good as possible. That's what you want. Now, we have another thing. Grilled onion. We got to grill some onion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray some oil back here, grab up a handful of onions from here, and just toss them back there. Without that lettuce. We don't need the lettuce. We don't want grilled lettuce. So let's get them onions cooking on down. Our bacon's going. Check on our bread. As you see, it's already toasted. See, it toasts up that quick, so keep a check on it. It's going to go fast. I'm also cooking these onions real slow. You don't want to saute them too quickly. The slower, the better. The more buttery and sweet they become. So yeah, if you got the time, take the time and just do that slow. And it's bacon, y'all. It's bacon. What can you say? It's bacon. Now, while these onions are sauteing down, and yeah, speaking of that, look how good they look, y'all. They're looking good. They're starting to saute, get a little softness to them. That's what I'm wanting. Let's go ahead and flip this bacon. Now, I am a multi-flipper on bacon most of the time, especially when it's cooking slow like this. You don't want to overcook on one side, not enough on the other. But man, these onions, yes sir. This is going to be good. Well, these onions are looking pretty dang good back here. Bacon, you see I kind of slid it over more to the side. It's just about where we want it. So you know what that means? It's time to get these burgers going. So let's turn around here. Grab up our burgers. Now, go ahead and tell you, use an 80-20 blend on your smash burgers. You can use a chuck, use whatever you want, but use an 80-20 blend. Anything higher than that or lower than that, it's not going to make a very good burger. Let's get these over here. As you see, this side of the griddle is like steaming, smoking hot. Just smoking hot. Smashing. Blackstone has a new smash burger kit out now. I'll leave the link to this down in the description. It comes with a silicone mat right here and the smasher, so no need for parchment paper, no need to flip the burger or anything anymore. Just lay your silicone mat down, push this down for, I don't know, about 10 seconds or so is what they recommend. It's usually what I do. Because it creates a really good sear on that burger. Comes with a tab right there to pull it up, and look at that, perfect every time. Do this one here. Hold for about 10 seconds. Grab your tab, pull it up, and look at there. perfect every time. So, like I said, there'll be a link in the description for this down below. Seasoning. Let's talk seasoning. Yep, I'm using mine. Y'all check it out. I have just about, it's bottled up. It's just about ready to hit the market, y'all. We just got a few little kinks to work out, a few little things, and yeah, it's gonna be available. So let's sprinkle some of our seasoning. This is the same seasoning we do use on the food trailer. People love our burgers. A lot of people tell us the best burger they've had in years. And that's a pretty good compliment, because there's some burger eaters around here. Y'all, just that quick, it is time to flip these. So that's what you want right there. You want that thing kind of stuck to it, flip it. Yeah, flip it. We need cheese. Get our cheese on here. We just use American cheese. Let's go ahead and get our bacon on here. Then we'll go ahead and get our onion. Some sauteed onion on here. Yes, sir. Now, we need seasoning. Get our some more seasoning on here. Add some flavor. There we go. Just that simple and quick, y'all. We'll go ahead and stack this. Grab your bun. Remember that toasty bun we already had? This is why you toast your bun first. Get that on there. And y'all, this thing's ready to build. Let's go over here and build it. Come on. Y'all, I didn't realize it, but one of my cameras got too hot, because it is hot out here. But yeah, what I was talking about, my seasoning, I have my new seasoning out now. I fixed to hit the shelves. It won't be long. Check it out. But right now, we got to finish this burger, y'all. Okay, so we got the bacon, the grilled onions, barbecue sauce. They wanted barbecue sauce. And on the food trailer, we just use this Kraft. It's just got a good taste. Everybody seems to enjoy it. And it's cheap enough. It's good enough. Yeah, a little bit of barbecue sauce on there. Now, pimento cheese. We top the bun with pimento cheese. So we put it right here on the top bun. Like that there. A little bit more maybe. Pimento cheese on a burger. Yes, sir. Get away from fly. Gotta love summertime. You ain't cooking outside unless you got flies coming around. That's when you know your food's good. Just don't let them land on your food. Now we need to add the toppings. So we're going to do some lettuce, some tomato, and then some pickles. And then we just crown it. That's it. There is the Old South burger. Now, before I take a bite, you got to check this out. Look at this monster of a burger right here. Got the pimento cheese, the grilled onions, the barbecue sauce, bacon, regular cheese, and just all of them delicious toppings. I say we dig into this and try it out. Y'all, this is a monster of a burger. And I was even told by one person that it needed a fork. You need a fork with this burger. And I can kind of see why. I mean, look at how big this is. How do you even attack this? I know how I'm going to attack it with my mouth. Watch this. Wow. I got a confession to make. That's the first time I tried it. I made a bunch of them. I just never had a chance to try it. That's delicious. Barbecue sauce, a lot of twang to it. The pimento cheese, the grilled onions, the bacon, the cheese, my seasoning, everything. Wow, that's a good burger. Y'all make this, like I said at the beginning of the video, let me know, would you put the lettuce and tomato and onion and all that on there? Would you leave some off? Would you add jalapenos? You know, we have a variety of different ways of doing this on the food trailer. Let me know how you would order this burger. But honestly, this is the way it came. And it is absolutely amazing. Might have to add this to the permanent menu. Who knows? Can't never tell. But I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, you know the drill. Thumbs up, comment, share, like, everything. If you didn't, thumbs down twice. Let me know you hated it. I'm going to take this inside, let the family try it out, and we'll see you next time.